Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's study together. And this time we're going to be talking about fundamentals of soil science, and this is a continuation from my previous lecture whereby we talked about soil organisms and their benefits to the soil. So here in this lesson we are going to be talking about different types of soil organisms, as I stated this in my previous lecture. And in this lecture we are going to talk about bacteria and also fungi, and in my next topic we'll talk about other soil organisms. So please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also to turn on the notification bell in order to receive more and other videos related to this course. So let's quickly move on to bacteria. Bacteria, what is bacteria? What are the benefits of bacteria to the soil? This is what we are about to study. This is what I'm about to talk about. What is fungi and what are the benefits of fungi to the soil? Bacteria are small single-celled organisms that make single most abundant type of microbe. They multiply rapidly under proper conditions. Mostly when you say proper conditions, they multiply on moist conditions. If the conditions are wrong for one species, it is right for another species. Benefits of bacteria. Bacteria, they can perform degradation of organic matter and nutrient transformation inside the roots. I'll repeat this. The benefits of bacteria to the soil is that they can perform degradation of organic matter. When we say degradation, we are simply talking about breaking down of organic matter and nutrients transformation inside the roots. This is what we will be talking about when we talk about bacteria. So these are the benefits of bacteria to the soil. Let's quickly move on to fungi. What is fungi and what are the functions of fungi into the soil? Fungi is the largest microbe group in terms of mass. It is the organism without the use of its ability of sun for energy. It is the organism which use ability of sun for energy. So the fungi, it uses the sun for energy. That's its condition for it to live. It uses sun for it to live. It is a pathogen fungi. Fungi is composed of filaments and mast cells known as mycelium. It is classified into three types, whereby we will be talking about yeast, the molds, and also the mushrooms. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and so that you know when I post some other videos related to crop physiology and also soil science. So for this lecture I am done. In my next lecture we are going to be talking about protozoa and also algae. These are other soil organisms which we have not talked about, and we are going to talk about virus also. So please subscribe to receive these other videos. Thank you so much.